Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group. You want to post privately without nobody knowing that it was you who posted that in a Facebook group. Now you want to stick to the end of this video. And the first thing is to be on your Facebook application. You want to go over to your search icon and tap on it, and then over here you are going to be searching for the group that you would like to post anonymously on. And when you get over here to the group, you are going to be tapping on write something. It's just like you want to post on that group. Now let's say I'm going to post a write-up. Now what you need to do is just to toggle the post anonymously. Now there's a write-up on top of your screen which says post anonymously. You just want to toggle that on, and as you can see, this is already an anonymous participant. It will be posted on the public group, but it will be posted anonymously. Now you want to go ahead and post this, and as you can see over here, it has been posted on this group. My Facebook details like my name will not be shown here, so none of these group members will know who this particular post came from. Now this is how you can post anonymously on Facebook. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on your like button to like this video, and then guys, you want to subscribe for more helpful videos like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.